Most AI coding tools sit in a side panel and suggest the next line. Claude Code does something different. It lives in your terminal, reads your whole project, and actually does the work you describe. Let's break down what it is and how it works. In one line, Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding assistant that runs inside your terminal. You describe what you want in plain English. It looks at your codebase, plans an approach, edits the files it needs to, and can run commands, all with your approval. It's a coding teammate that actually opens the project, not just one that comments from the side. The word that matters here is agentic. Older AI coding tools predict the next line as you type. Claude Code works at the level of a goal. You give it a task. Fix this bug, add this feature, refactor this module, and it makes a plan, executes the steps using real development tools, checks the result, and adjusts. You define the outcome. It figures out the path. Primarily, it lives in your terminal as a command line tool. That's where it has the most power. But it also plugs into IDEs like VS Code and can be triggered on GitHub by tagging it in an issue or a pull request. Because it's a command line tool, you can also pipe things into it, run it inside CI pipelines, and chain it with other tools the way developers already work. What can you ask it to do? Build a feature from a plain English description, debug an error, and ship the fix. Explain unfamiliar code or walk you through a codebase you didn't write. Refactor across many files. Write tests. Handle Git operations. And automate routine work, reviewing pull requests, translating new text strings, or running checks on a schedule. It's aimed at whole tasks, not single lines. A typical session is simpler than you'd think. You open your terminal in your project, start Claude Code, and tell it what you want, in normal sentences. It explores the code, lays out a plan, makes edits, and runs the commands it needs. You see what it's doing, approve the bigger actions, and watch the work get done. Less typing code, more directing it. Because it can actually change files and run commands, control matters. Claude Code requires your explicit permission before doing anything that touches your project. It works inside your existing environment, not some hidden backend, and the decision of what code ships always stays with you. The autonomy is bounded. You set the goal, it does the work, you sign off. So how is this different from a chat sidebar? Side panel assistants help you write the next line. Claude Code operates at the project level. It reads the whole codebase, plans across multiple files, executes real changes, runs the tests, and iterates if something fails. The job shifts. Instead of accepting suggestions one at a time, you hand off whole tasks and review the result. Who is it for? Mostly developers who live in the terminal and want to hand off real tasks. But people without an engineering background also use it to describe small tools they need and have them built. To start, install Claude Code from Anthropic's official docs. Run the Claude command inside your project and describe what you want. Full instructions live at docs.claude.com. That's the source of truth. So, Claude Code is an agentic coding tool that lives in your terminal, reads your codebase, plans, edits files, runs commands, and ships changes, with you in the driver's seat. Less typing every line yourself, more describing what you want and reviewing what gets done. If this helped, subscribe. The series keeps going, one AI idea at a time.